First of all, I'll say a big thanks to my fans for having patience for me. But how can an artist take her video to a TV station a day before the premiere? Ghana here doesn't happen that way. And if an artist is going to premiere her video, they go with it the very day. But because I wanted to be professional, my management took a copy of the video to TV3. Yesterday, they even previewed it and said they liked the video. Listen to it. If you watch the interview today, after they finished interviewing me, the interviewer was like, we are going to play your video, but first, let's dance at Ajwa. So he made me know that they are resetting my video, but he wants us to dance at Ajwa first. Not only they wanted to use me to promote at Ajwa. Whoever is behind this, I leave the person to God. Because Dick didn't sleep yesterday. He was in Kumasi. He has to fly to Accra just to give my video to TV3. And people want to sabotage me. Watch out. I know Cardi B is not going to be happy about this. This is why I wore Cardi B today. I love my twinnie. And Cardi said she is going to do a video with me. Ghana, you will die. Watch out. Dick and TN record, we are not going to sleep. You are scared. You are scared of your people, no. And I will never rest. I will sing and sing and watch out for something better. Bitches. Bitches. If they pay you, watch out for my music video. It's going to be on YouTube.